Welcome to Dumb Investing, the dumbest investing show in all of YouTube's. That fell over there, that is Harry.
That guy's Lloyd. Sorry, I was a little confused. I had a new little icon show up here, and I didn't know what it meant. So, anyways, regardless, it's about to get dumb up in here.
Oh, yeah. So on tonight's program, here's what you can expect. We will be reviewing a portfolio of stocks that we have purchased by rolling random dice, picking 3 random stocks, doing a little bit of homework on them, and investing our retirement money in randomly picked stocks. And so we've got a portfolio full of those boys, and we'll see how it's doing.
Girls.
20, yeah. Well, I don't know if stocks for boys or girls. Whatever. 21 loyal subscribers. Thank you very much. Anybody that's new here, you're on for a heck of a ride for the next 30 minutes. Don't do anything that we do because this is for entertainment purpose only. Don't. You follow us, you're going to lose a lot of money. Unless today is the day that we break even and we can all celebrate and rejoice. But based off of my personal today, I don't think that's going to happen. And we can send our thank you notes to Federal Reserve Vice Chair Richard Clarida. And we'll cover that here in a little bit.
Should we give out the email address as well?
Here's the cell number. Text them. Thanks.
All right, folks, here we go. So onto the portfolio review. I have such a hard time getting words out. It's unbelievable.
I do too sometimes.
Man.
You know why? Because we live in a digital world where we send so many emails
and
messages. We don't talk anymore.
It takes me longer to type out a word than it does to say it, so I can think about the word when I'm typing it.
Yep.
Is this the right word? Is this the right context? Anyways, we're not here for an English lesson. We're here for a financial entertainment. Only. And
when we do our market review, I'm going to try so hard to stay out of politics, but there was so much craziness that's going on in our Senate. The people that we send to Washington, America, what are we doing? That's all. What are we doing? Send to these people.
Okay, please hold, caller. Let's go through this and we'll get there. So today what we have on our biggest losers, we've got the Falling Knives ETF, which is kind of like an inverse ETF, right? It's kind of like a bad thing. But so for it to be negative for us because we own it is bad. But generally that means the market has done a little bit better. So it was down
real close to where we bought it. It actually crossed today.
It was down 1.26% today.
Yeah, but look at where we bought it. It actually crossed it for a while.
Yeah, it did.
Had we been traders, we could have said, "Oh, profit, ping!" Right? But we didn't. Look at those candlesticks. What happened there? Look at that positive candlestick. Boom.
I have no idea. Let's look at the day. Wow. There you go. But yeah, somewhere within the day today. Holy moly. $80.05.
I know.
Wow. And then Crash-a-Mungo's here.
Then Crash-a-Mungo.
Technical term only can be used on dumb investing.
Jay will appreciate that we're using technical terms. Shout out to London.
Yeah, except for Jay. Do TA, you dummies. Here we've got Lazy Boy at the second biggest loser, down 1.18%. Again, things overall, they were doing well today. Well, look at that day.
That's a roller coaster.
Wow. Holy moly. Did Lazy Boy have a day straight up and straight down? And then to end the day, way down. Wow. What happened at the end of the day today? Is that when your buddy spoke?
Richard Clarida.
Your buddy.
Yeah, all of our buddies. Our red friend. Yeah.
Wow. Unbelievable.
We'll talk
that
about
big
that
slide into the close there.
Yeah.
On the biggest winners, we've got
the biggest winners.
Boom. Hey Lang Education Group.
Wow, came up today.
1.24%.
Why is that stock moving?
Wow.
Why is that thing not going to zero?
Just because they got to put money somewhere.
But why there? That's the dumbest investment of all the dumb investments we have.
Look at what's been going on. Look at Jay. Let's do some TA here.
Oh no, let's not do any TA on this thing. Are you kidding me?
Jay, just because I can, And just because we talked about it yesterday, we're going to ride this
I think
rocket
you're
ship.
picking the wrong start mark.
Oh, no. We're riding that rocket ship all the way to the moon, buddy.
All
On
right.
the Lang Education Group. I love it. And secondly, our biggest gainer today was GFL Environmental at 1.97%.
Oh, look at that.
So this is the day chart, but look at how strong they've been over the past, what's this, July 21st? So over the past 3 weeks.
Nothing but blue sky, baby. Almost to where we bought in. Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah.
We like that.
So again, another volatile day, but holy moly, look at this. Wow. Okay, let's shrink this chart a little bit.
Man, if this keeps up, we might hit my 15th as our break-even date.
You might.
Wouldn't that be great?
Shrinking this down a little bit. Look at the day. Holy moly. And then it just straight down for a little while, and then the recovery. Boom, up into the close. Unbelievable. That's crazy.
Yeah, let's hope they maintain a little bit of that power for a couple of days.
I hope so. Over here, overall, it appears nothing has changed. PSET leading the way. 9.4%. Forever getting closer.
Yeah.
And FSD at 5%. Down here, biggest losers, Lazy Boy and Lang Education Group, 21% and 34% in the red.
Yeah, but Haling was a lot lower.
Oh, yeah.
It makes no sense that stock is worth anything today.
Nothing in the stock market makes sense anymore. Anyway,
I know.
So it doesn't matter. Nothing matters anymore. Just what you believe.
So our day was green.
Our day was green. Looks like $4.33.
Ooh, look at that.
Boom.
$4.
Yeah. 28.46. We've got $153.11 to go.
We're
going to make it.
We're going
to make it. And it might be. Man, you've got another 11 days. So you've got almost 2 weeks worth of full stock market to 15th. You've got 7 stock market days to get through there. You might do it.
What do I need? $35 a day? I don't know, brother.
Not even. Not even. We need $153. So you're at, what's that? Divide it $20 a day.
A little bit more.
Call it $25 a day.
We might be able to do that. I got faith.
All right.
All right. So should we talk about what happened in the market today?
Tell me what happened today.
I got some notes. Okay. So first tidbit of news. As of Friday, which was 2 days ago, 59% of the S&P 500 companies had reported. And of those 59% that have reported, so what is that? 200 and some odd companies in the
they
Fortune
reported
500,
what?
or S&P 500
Q2 earnings, right?
Reported Q2 earnings, yeah, or whatever quarter they had. But yeah, sure. 88% of those reporting beat their earning per share estimates. Huh. All right, today, some things that happened. The 10-year dipped below 1.13 for a little bit. So It's been, ADP came out today, and ADP is kind of like a precursor to the monthly stuff. Big miss. Predictions for like 650,000 jobs being made. We came in at 337 or something like that. So half as many jobs were made as we thought were going to be made. So that's an indicator that Friday's jobs number is going to be in the toilet. And the market is kind of happy about that because then that's what Jay Powell's going to be paying attention to. So maybe he won't be raising rates. But that's not what Federal Reserve Vice Chair Richard Clarida said today. He said, definitely, we need to be raising rates. Needs to happen in 2023. That's all there is to it. That's kind of what the market kind of said.
2023 is a year and a half away.
A year and a half away, yeah. But people don't like them saying that. Raising rates. Well, why? I like my money. It's free.
But we know that this is coming.
I know.
In 2023. The market knows this is coming in 2023.
Yeah. But that's what he was talking about.
I'm good with them raising rates. Like, as long as they're coming out and looking at what's happening in 2023 and say, yeah, we're going to have to raise rates in 2023. I mean, there's
Right.
a year and a half of data that needs to be consumed before they actually make that decision.
Oh,
Like,
yeah, and last
they
thing.
pull that final trigger, right?
$HOOD, the Robinhood to the moon.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
folks.
Show that chart.
Let's pull up Mr. Hood here. Okay, let me get it here. We'll get it situated. Robinhood today. Let's zoom in on what happened. Okay, so we'll take you back a day or two. Oh, that doesn't. Okay, I'll zoom in. So Robinhood filed their IPO last week. So
Go back
their
to
initial
Thursday.
public offering. Thursday? Okay.
Yeah, let's go back and let's just see it from when it started.
This was the third, right?
Because it had the worst IPO
Right here.
of its size in the
That's
world.
right. We talked about that on the channel.
Yeah.
So Robinhood had a day, and it said their initial public offering was supposed to come in around $38. They ended up closing the day, and it's weird that this
Yeah, why are
bar
they
is
green?
green. Because it should not be. But regardless, they closed somewhere in $34 range.
Yeah.
And then the week kind of went on and ho-hum. Nothing really too crazy happened. It kind of went around this $34 mark.
Yeah, I
Stayed
think our
there.
exact words were meh.
Meh. Yeah, so that was, so here's where it closed, right? I don't have the date here. Well, man, that just looks messy. Nothing looks good there. Okay. We'll go back to where we were at.
I think that's a fine view there.
Yeah.
So
then
had a
overnight,
horrible
nothing
IPO.
happened.
Nothing happened. The next day,
nothing happened. Overnight, nothing happened. And then here, up a little bit, almost back to IPO on the 2nd of August. Then overnight, nothing happened. And then we wake up in the morning today.
No, that was yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday on the 3rd.
Yesterday starts climbing.
Started to happen.
News comes out. Kathy Woods, ARK Investment, is buying shares. Retail people start jumping on saying, oh, well, if Kathy's doing it, it must be good for everybody. Let's jump in.
Yep.
And
so they are closing at, let's just pick a number here, somewhere in the $47 range at the end of the day Friday.
So now we're almost
yesterday.
So we're almost $10 over IPO price now.
Yep. Then overnight, a little bit more momentum continued on through. And then we wake up this morning and kablooey, the things just took
It just
off.
takes off.
So this is where I want to go down to the minute chart and look at what happened today. If we so can. Because I think this is pretty incredible what happened today. And I'm going to squeeze this chart in a little bit just so we can see everything that happened today. All right. So wake up in the morning and we see Robinhood's running. And the stock is just going
I mean, it's going crazy.
This is minute by minute as we go up. So we're talking, we open at $54 and we go to $56 and we go to $59, $60, 61, 63, up. And then right here, it topped out at $85 a share coming in. And remember, it started at $38 last week. $85, somebody bought some shares there. There were multiple halts on this throughout the day.
It stopped trading except for Robinhood platform. It kept trading.
Yeah, keep that in mind. Robinhood did not stop trading Robinhood stock. And
But
for
it
those
wouldn't
of
let
you
you
watching
short
that are
either.
familiar with GME, you'll feel very much the opposite about what's going on here.
Yeah, Robinhood, you could only buy. I don't know what the heck.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
So the market had a little bit of cool off here mid-morning, and I don't want to say tank, because it definitely did not tank. I mean, the thing
it
still held on
cooled.
pretty strong.
Yeah.
And it got some consolidation here. And Jay, if you're watching, that's a TA term, consolidation around here. And then it started getting some momentum, and then it started losing ground a bit. And then again, we saw some consolidation, but it couldn't pull through. So it dropped again and up and down. And what a roller coaster it went on today.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Absolutely crazy. So then we saw
But
a little
look
bit
at
less
the
volatility.
volume later in
Yeah.
the day.
A little bit
The
less
volume
volatility,
later in
and
the
the
day.
volume picks up
It's crazy.
mid-afternoon, and things start going back up, 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 down, up, down, up, down. It's like a Florida Georgia line song. And then we close off the day somewhere in the realm of $70.39. It was up 50% today.
Yep.
Unbelievable, hey?
Holy cow.
So in here we've got after hours, and we're seeing, what are we seeing? We're seeing some selling, people buying at 65 bucks. From what I heard is that the private investment groups were buying shares at 60 bucks.
Yeah.
So there should be some pretty good support around that $60 range. So,
And if
pretty crazy.
we recall correctly, the insiders are having to wait 30 days before they can sell. So this thing's got about 20 days left in it, and then we're going to see what happens when the insiders start dumping. You think?
I don't know. I have no idea. We'll see. Usually when there's a lot of selling pressure, stocks go
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
So after hours, it is down 6.11%, but marginal when you've got a 50% gain day. Wild. Absolutely wild. It was really cool to see some of that. I woke up early this morning and saw when the market opened, and the thing was just running minute by minute.
I mean, it was crazy to watch because you couldn't believe what was happening. You know, it was just on top of each other, just boom, boom, boom. It was awesome.
It's a lot of fun when that stuff happens,
Yeah,
especially if you were to own the stock.
absolutely.
Whoa.
Whoa. Ghost in the system.
Yeah, totally. All right. Anything else happened today?
That's all that I know. That's all I took notes on. And yeah.
Fantastic. No, I think we're bang on. I think you're right with, Jay Powell. He knows what he's doing. Jobs are probably going to come in a little bit weaker than expected.
I'm glad you said that.
I'm glad I'm here to say that.
We may have to search on this, but Jay Powell, his term is up for renegotiation or something like that. He may not have a job here in a couple of weeks. So there's a lot of what is the market going to do if the current administration decides they want to put in a different person. It had been the way we had done things up until Mr. Trump was the Federal Reserve, whoever was there, the new administration just accepted them and kept them in place. Mr. Trump said, no, I'm putting my own people in. So we're going to see if this administration does the same thing and says, well, if you can do it, so can we, that kind of thing. So that has a potential to maybe shake the market a little bit because, they're kind of used to Powell and his version of gray. So
I think if they were to remove Jay Powell, the market would have an absolute conniption.
S-fest, yes.
Yeah. Like they would lose their effing minds and everybody would just pull out everything. And I think it would be an absolute disaster. Because it was Yellen before Jay Powell, right?
Yep.
And JPal's been doing this for how long?
8 years?
Okay.
No. 5 years.
5 years? Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Crazy. I mean, I like the dude. I think he speaks pretty clearly in his gray kind of way. But hey, everyone likes 50 Shades of Grey.
Well, whoa. I don't think we should be going down that path.
I just said, like, JPal speaks different colors of gray.
I heard what you said. And this is not that kind of show.
You never know what kind of show it could turn into.
So, on that topic, don't trade like that, fella. Thanks
Definitely don't
for
trade like
joining
that
us.
guy.
Please do the YouTube stuff. Leave us some comments. Our spreadsheet's down there. You can see all our trades. And click the Webull, put $100 in there. You're going to get 2 free stocks, and life is great. Have a great night. Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. If you like what you saw, click the like button. Share it with your friends because we would like to have lots more viewers. And I got to tell you, we've got some pretty exciting stuff that we're planning on doing when we get 100 live viewers. So we need to keep that momentum going, and definitely see you
Or
guys
we're
in
just
the
going
next
to
one.
leave it all up to Kara, and we're just going to burger fight this thing.
Burger fight all. Good night, everyone.
Good night.